G'day, Dimitri speaking from Exercises.com.au. Today we're doing cable deadlifts. So we've got our cable machine set up ready to go. Got our bar ready to go. I'm going to grab that bar. I'm going to start straight into it. So I'm going to start with my feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent. What I'm going to do is bend straight from the back here. So we want to keep those legs as straight as possible. Slightly stick that glute out. Mainly keep the movement from the back, and then coming all the way up at the top part of the movement, engaging those hips, coming right up to straight, and then ideally a little bit of an isometric push through the hips, so we're pushing through into that hyperextension, and an isometric hold through those glutes, right down, lock it up through the lower part of the body, and then coming all the way back down again. So down, full range of movement. Try to keep those legs as straight as possible, slightly bent through the knees at the top. Engage those core muscles so that you're locked on through the whole part of the movement. Hyperextension at the top, squeeze it all up, lock up your hips, lock up your quads, lock up your glutes, really squeeze the whole part of your lower body. Make sure that that lower back is really doing the work, as well as those hammies. So hammies, lower back, a little bit of glutes, squeezing it up, making sure your breathing is nice and rhythmic as well, making sure those lower back and those hammies are doing all the work. Really pushing through that hyperextension and really working those hamstring muscles. That's our cable deadlifts for today. Search for exercises.com.au for more great exercises and videos, and we'll see you next time.